Hello, students. Let's start the remaining part of The Tiger King, written by Kalki. The Maharaja Tiger's hunt continued to be highly successful. Within 10 years, he was able to kill 70 tigers, but now there were no tigers to be found in the forest of Pratibandpuram. The Maharaja married a girl from a royal family. His father in law had a large tiger population in his forest. Maharaja Jung Bahadur killed 5 or 6 tigers each time he visited his father-in-law. In this manner, 99 tiger skin adorned the wall of the reception hall in Pratibandpuram palace. But by now, no tiger were left in the kingdom of his father-in-law house. The Maharaja grew more and more restless when he could not find the 100th tiger. He refused to leave the forest until the tiger was found. As the day passed, his fury became alarming. Many officers lost their jobs. He asked the Diwan also to resign. In order to save his job, the Diwan did all he could to find a tiger. At last, he got an old tiger from the People Park in Madras. At night, he loaded it in his car and left it near the place where the Maharaja was hunting. In the morning, the old tiger wandered into the Maharaja's presence. He stood there very humbly. In great joy, the Maharaja took a careful aim and fired. The tiger fell in a heap. He gave order to bring the tiger to the capital in a grand procession. After the Maharaja had left in his car, the hunters found that the tiger was still alive. The Maharaja's bullet had missed its aim. No one wanted the Maharaja to come to know of it because it could make him very angry. So one of the hunters took aim and shot the tiger dead. As ordered by the king, it was taken in the procession through the town and buried. A few days later, the third birthday of the Maharaja's son was celebrated. So far, the king had no time to spare for his son. He had given all his mind to tiger hunted, but now he wanted to give his son a special gift. He searched every shop in the town. Finally, he found a tiger in a toy shop. The king thought it was a perfect gift. That day, both the father and son kept playing with that wooden toy. It had been made by an unskilled carpenter. It had tiny slivers all over its surface. One of these pierced the Maharaja's right hand. He pulled it out, but infection developed in the king's hand. In 4 days, it spread all over the arm. 3 famous surgeons decided to operate on him. When they came out of the operating theater, they announced the operation was successful, the Maharaja is dead. Thus, that 100th tiger took its final revenge upon the Tiger King. So, students, it was decided that his death would come from a tiger. As we know from the story, that the death did come from a tiger, though it was a wooden tiger, a toy, not a real tiger. So, students, listen this story again and again and just read it with the help of your textbook and just try to solve out the question answer of this chapter.